Hey everyone, this is Isaac. Welcome back to another CapCut tutorial. In this video, I'm going to teach you everything you need to know about adding glow in CapCut. Let's get started. As you can see, I have this YouTube logo right here. And if I want to make a glow, you might think it's very simple. You just go to effects, type glow, and put on the first filter you see. But as you can see, it doesn't work like that. What you're going to need is the glow 2 effect. You can put it in favorites so you can find it easier for the next time. But if I add it to my picture, as you can see, it has these borders because the image isn't big enough. You can either add it above everything, or if you don't want to add it on the whole project, right click on the object and create compound clip. Now, I have a whole video dedicated just to compound clips, so if you want to learn more about that, feel free to check that video out. Now, when we have our compound clip, by dragging the glow 2 effect on our compound clip, as you can see, the YouTube logo finally glows normally without affecting the rest of our project. Now, I recommend keeping the glow to something less, and you can adjust the size depending on how you want your glow to be. Now, if you want to make adjustments to your layer, just double click on your compound clip, and here you can make any changes to your layer, and when you exit the compound clip, as you can see, the glow affects everything in our compound clip. If you found this video useful, subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Check the description below for the links of all my socials, and if you have any questions or future video requests, leave them down in the comments below.